So here's how to get free stuff on Shein. But before we start, if you're new to Shein, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to get your free Shein account. After that, you can also get the Shein application. So first up, we will open the Shein app. Once you're here, you will get to see this interface. On the bottom, you will get to see an option that says Me. Tap on it. On this page, tap on the option Free Trial Center. You will then be taken to this page. And as you can see, all the products offered here are free of cost. If you go over to the next notice, you will get to see the upcoming products that will be available for free in the next run. So all you need to do is go to In Progress and tap on Free Trial on whichever product that you want to get. Then just follow the relevant instructions and you will be able to get free stuff on Shein. And that's it. That is exactly how to get free stuff on Shein.